Imagine doubling your weight loss just by making a simple dietary tweak. That's exactly what recent research suggests. But here's where it gets controversial. Eliminating a specific food group could significantly boost your fat-burning progress. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Nature Medicine on August 4th has found that adults who are overweight and cut out ultra-processed foods, often abbreviated as UPFs, experienced nearly twice the weight loss over a 2-month period compared to those who didn't make this change. Ultra-processed foods include items like microwave-ready meals, sugary sodas, potato chips, packaged cookies, and other convenience foods. Interestingly, even some products marketed as health foods might fall into this category, which surprises many. So what makes UPFs so detrimental? According to Dr. Jeffrey Kraft, a bariatric surgeon at Hackensack Meridian Palisades Medical Center in New Jersey, these foods undergo multiple industrial processes to be made shelf-stable. Processed foods are not natural. They've been chemically altered or processed in factories to extend their shelf life, he explains. Moreover, these foods often fail to trigger our body's normal sense of fullness or satiety, leading to overeating. Most UPFs tend to be rich in unhealthy ingredients, high fructose corn syrup, emulsifiers, trans fats, and hydrogenated oils. These additives are frequently paired with other harmful components, which can promote long-term health issues if consumed regularly. On the flip side, incorporating whole foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and natural protein sources, can make a noticeable difference in weight management. These foods are typically higher in fiber and protein, which help you stay full longer, reducing the temptation to snack unnecessarily. Even snacks labeled as protein bars, considered ultra-processed, can be enjoyed occasionally without guilt. For example, a simple boiled egg provides around 7 grams of complete protein, making it an easy, nutritious choice. When choosing processed foods, reading labels carefully for sugar and sodium content is a helpful habit. For those worried about meal prep time, focusing on whole, minimally processed foods is practical and easier than you might think. Fresh produce like apples, bananas, carrots, nuts, seeds, natural peanut butter, and plain Greek yogurt require minimal preparation but deliver maximum nutritional benefits. Developing the habit of gradually increasing your fruit and vegetable intake, aiming for about 3 cups of vegetables and 2 cups of fruit daily, paves the way for a healthier diet. Experts also stress the importance of mindful shopping. Dr. Kraft recommends sticking to the perimeter of the grocery store, where the freshest and least processed options are usually found, while avoiding overly packaged or shelf-stable items that may contain hidden unhealthy additives. A further tip from nutritionists is to replace breakfast with a low-calorie protein shake, especially for those on a weight loss journey. And perhaps most surprisingly, quality sleep plays a critical role. If you suffer from undiagnosed sleep disorders like sleep apnea, your efforts to lose weight may be thwarted, an often overlooked piece of the puzzle. All in all, paying attention to what's on your plate, reading labels, choosing whole foods over ultra-processed options, and ensuring proper sleep can significantly influence your weight loss success. Does this approach resonate with your experience or challenge your beliefs about dieting? Feel free to share your thoughts or questions below. It's a conversation worth having.